Welcome to this video lesson. I am Satish Kumar I'm an English teacher from Vidya Lakshmi Metric Higher Secondary School. Today we are going to learn a poem about women. So this is from class 10 unit 3. I am every woman. So this is a poem written by Rakhi Narayani Streak. She is a living author. She got her postgraduate and degree in education. This poem is all about women, the power of women, and the multi-facet of women, how the woman is being portrayed in the society nowadays. So this is what we are going to learn in this poem. I am every woman. So let me read out the poems, then let us discuss about it. I am every woman. A woman is beauty innate, a symbol of power and strength. She puts her life at stake. She is real, she is not fake. So let me explain, listen to it. A woman is beauty innate. A woman, naturally, she is so beautiful. In general, while someone address the gathering, they say ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Here we come to know that we use gentle only for men, not for ladies, because ladies already they are gentle and tender and beautiful in their behavior and character. So a woman is beauty innate. Innate in inborn. She is beauty naturally. A symbol of power and strength. Yes, it's right. A woman is a symbol of power and strength. Woman is a symbol of power and strength. She puts her life at stake. Stake here, that means risk. She takes risk in her life. She puts her life into risk. She gets married to an unknown person. She moves on to the unknown family, which is a kind of venture. She ventures to take the risk with the new family, with the new persons. So she puts her life at stake. She is real, she is not fake. Yes, she is real, she is not acting, she is not fake, she is a real woman. The second stanza falls on here. The summer of life she is ready to see in spring. She says, spring will come again, my dear. Let me care for the ones who are near. She is the woman, she has no fear. Yes. Now look at these lines. The summer of life she is ready to see in spring. Here, summer is a metaphor of crisis, life's crisis, difficulties and the problem. So summer of life which has crisis in life. The summer of life she is ready to see in spring. Here spring and summer. These two words are metaphors in this poem. Summer is a metaphor of dry and the crisis in the family. And spring shows the prosperity. So the line she says that the summer of life she is ready to see in spring, which means even the family is in crisis, financial crisis. The woman from the family is ready to take care of the family and solve the problem. That's the line says the summer of life she is ready to see in spring. We'll have a real life example. So due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation, most of the families have fallen under economical crisis. Yes, obviously our men bring home the salaries or money, but the women from the family who takes care of the family, like those summer of life, she get rid of summer of life and she able to see the spring even in the crisis. Next line, she says spring will come again, my dear. She says it's a kind of a positive approach to the family by women. So spring comes again, my dear. So don't worry, don't feel about the crisis. Prosperous will be there in the future. Let me care for the ones who are near. Yes, exactly. Woman takes care of everyone in the family. Everyone from the family. She is the woman, she has no fear. Yes, she has such kind of guts to face the problem in her life, domestic life, everything. She has no fear at all. The next stanza, strong is she in her faith and belief. Persistent is the key to everything. Says she, despite the sighs and groans and moans, she is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. Yeah. Now look at the stanza. It is clearly explained here. Strong is she in her faith and belief. Yeah, she has positive approach towards anything. She believes in everything. She believes in the positive approach. Persistence is the key to everything. Persistence, the determination, that is the key to everything. She thinks that persistence is the key to everything. So being determined, being very positive, having a positive approach towards anything, has the key for everything, for every problem. Despite the sighs and groans and moans, yeah, though she has pains, feelings, sadness within her, she does not show out to the outer world. She hides everything within her and she makes the family very happy. She is strong in her faith, firm in belief. She is strong in her faith, firm in belief. Yes. So whatever the crisis comes to the family or to her own life, she never feels sad. She never loses her faith. She is strong in her faith. She has the firm faith on her life and her belief. Next stanza here. She is a lioness, don't mess with her. So it's a kind of warning to the men and also to the other people than women. She will not spare you if you are a prankster. Don't ever try to show her pride, her self-respect. She knows how to throw you, saw you, so beware. This stanza is a kind of warning to the men who consider women as a weaker sex. Here, she is a lioness. Yeah, she is a lioness with power. So don't mess with her. Don't mess with her. Don't have any trouble with her because she is a lioness. Here, she is a lioness. That is a metaphor in this sentence. Metaphor is a figure of speech. Metaphor is being played in this line. She is a lioness. Don't mess with her. Don't have any trouble with her. She will not spare you if you are a prankster. Prankster. If you cheat her, if you mock her, if you mock at her, she will not spare you. She will not leave you. Right? She will have faith in her own power. So she will not leave you. She will make a trouble to you if you disturb her. Don't ever try to saw her pride. Here, saw, this is not the past tense of see. Here, saw is the tool to cut out the trees and the woods. Don't ever try to saw her pride. Yes, don't touch her pride. Be careful, don't touch her pride and her self-respect. Yes, we should not touch her self-respect. She has a respect. We have to respect women. So we people should not touch her pride and we should not misbehave with women. She knows how to saw you, so beware. So she know how to deal with you. She know how to solve the problem. So she know how to have revenge on you. So be careful and be aware of women because she is a lioness. She has power to saw you. And the last couplet from this poem explains she is today's women, dear. Love her, respect her, keep her near. Yes, just look at the couplet of this poem. Actually, couplet is nothing but last two lines of a poem. Just two lines of a poem, being a stanza is called a couplet. She is today's women dear, love her, respect her, keep her near. Yeah. So, this is a kind of advice to the other genders, like she is today's women. Yes, the traditional women have been changed, which means they won't be a slave to the family members, to the men. So, she is today's women. Now, women have been changed. Today's women dear, love her, respect her, keep her near. Yes, we should love her, we should respect her, because she has multiple talent within her. She has been doing multi-talented works in the family and also in the society. So, keep her near. So, try to move with her in a friendly way, soft, kind way. So, love her, respect her and keep her. There is the poem. So, through this poem, I am every woman, the poet wants to warn the society, one who acts against women. So, this is what we have learned today through the poem I am every woman. So, yes, I want to just mention a last point here. We celebrate International Women's Day on March 8, just to portray the power and the respect towards women in the society. Okay, that's it for this class. Thank you very much